How to fix Crunchyroll freezing problem. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Crunchyroll app. If you're on your mobile phone app and your app is freezing, first thing you need to do is check your internet connection speed. Make sure that you have stable internet connection. If the internet is fine, you can restart the app first and then reopen the app. If it still doesn't fix your freezing problem, then there might be the issue with the Crunchyroll servers. You can head over to your preferred web browser and over here, type down detector. Head over to this first link. Now from here, you can check in the real time if there is any issues in the Crunchyroll servers. So in this top right corner, tap on the search bar and search for Crunchyroll. It will give you the server status of Crunchyroll. As you can see over here, there is no any current problems with the Crunchyroll. So the other ways to fix them are tap and hold on this Crunchyroll app icon and tap on this information icon over here. It will take you to the app info page. Scroll down to the bottom and choose the storage option. Now over here at the bottom right corner, you can see the clear cache option. Tap on it. Now the cache memory of your Crunchyroll app is cleared. You can try to relaunch the Crunchyroll app. If you still have the freezing issues, you can come back to this section and over here you can see this clear data option. Tap on it. By this, you'll be resetting all the app data. So tap on delete. Now you'll have to re-log in when you start the app again. If you're using the Crunchyroll app on your browser, then you can try to clear the cache memory of your browsers. And if you have any ad blockers or extensions, you can disable them. So by trying these various methods, you will be able to fix your Crunchyroll freezing problems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.